Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your operating system and installing the right tool. For Windows, use PowerToys. For Mac OS, get Carabiner Elements. For Linux, pick SetX or Xmodmap. Once done, make sure to back up your current keyboard layout or create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. You don't need to tinker with hardware. This step focuses on software changes. Next, open the Remapping app and locate the Kira Maps section to begin mapping keys. You now create the actual mapping by selecting the source key and assigning a target key or action. For combinations, use profiles or layers and bind modifiers like Control, Alt, or Option to avoid conflicts. Once assigned, apply the change and immediately test in a simple text editor and the apps you use most. If something behaves oddly, toggle the profile off and on. This refreshes bindings. Make small changes one at a time so you can identify which mapping. You finish by saving and exporting your remapping profile for backup and future use, and set it to launch at startup if you want persistent changes. Make app-specific rules so keys behave differently in designated programs. Once finalized, verify everyday workflows for a day to catch subtle problems. If things go wrong, revert to your backup or restore point, quit other keyboard utilities that may conflict, and restart the app or the system. This sequence usually resolves most remapping issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.